it's me again, Maria here. I'm here in Tagum City. Oh, it's sunny day. Oh my God, mainit ha. I'm going to buy Lotto ticket. Wow. Lotto ticket, how much? $649 is 146 million, guys. But wait, still too much to go. I will buy some ice cream first. Hey, isang scoop ng mango. Okay. I want to eat ice cream. Ice cream daw, te. Salang ka scoop. Salang ka scoop kasi tipid tayo eh. This is old bread house. Thank you po. Salamat. Harap. I will finish this before I will buy Lotto ticket. Sorry guys, this is purely video. No edit. Hopefully you will understand my English, please. So good. Mango is my favorite. Ta-da! May outfit for today. Outfit! One minute after this one. Okay. I will give her 5. Okay. Welcome. Marami na siyang ipon kasi sa akin. Marami na siyang ipon. Okay, yala guys, I will come back later. Thank you for watching my channel. Hopefully you subscribe my channel, please. Though it's not that perfect, you know. So thank you guys. Bye.